Lovelies, do you know I would have given up with the social media entrepreneurship or making money online long time ago? There are very many people who have given up. I know some of the people that started with me that gave up long time. There are even others that started after me that have already given up. Good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. I'm going to be highlighting for you why I've not given up, and this one on the other way, it will show you why most YouTubers or most social media entrepreneurs have given up. The new ones, we really know that almost 95% of the YouTubers, of social media entrepreneurs, of the people who are looking for money on internet have given up in the first year of their startup. But what do you think have not given up? In this video, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I a financial guru. I'm a person who has made money using my smartphone. I'm a person who has utilized my time. I don't invest anything. What I do, I invest in my wisdom, I learn my time, that's all. I have a smartphone. Oh, I have smartphones, and I know where you are. You have smartphones. So this goes to people who are going to give up so soon. This goes to people who are almost giving up. Or you're going to start and you've seen your friends have not given it. They have given it a try, but they have not gone up to even the third year. What do you think? I've not given up because I always understand the algorithm. What do I mean? When I started like this, social media platforms or making money online, including the apps, the making of surveys, the doing of tasks and many things. When I started like that, I decided I have to know, what does the algorithm say about my content? How does it behave towards it? So this gives me energy, because when I go there and I see the impression, I see the RPM they have given me, I see where exactly the algorithm is pushing my content, which type of the audience is watching my content, who are these people who are interested in seeing my content, how long are the people, how long are they watching, and what about the reaction towards it. When I see it, it gives me morale to sit down and I'm like, okay, let me again give it a try. So that's why I've not given up. And when you go to the other side, the 95% of people have given up. Most of them, they don't take details to the algorithm. If you want to know much about the algorithm, please put it in the comment section. If I get some time, I'll talk about it in details. Then the second thing, me, I started when I was focused. Focus has been my tool. I told you this video is just, it's like a courtesy call. I don't want you to give up at all. Start your thing. Start it when you are focused. What do I mean focused? I told you the story behind my starting. By that, I didn't know that I would teach you about how to make money on social media. But my background was to make sure that I help the needy. I shouldn't have food in abundance. I'm getting, this world, tomorrow we are gone. We are going to go. Every person is going to go. But since you're still here, I should not have overabundance. You find I'm throwing food. I'm buying a cloth that is not needed. So I used to give them something to help them. I can't say I love it. The God created it in me. But there is that time you reach, you cannot give today, tomorrow. You need to train people on how to fetch something. So I tried to train people on how to make money with their skills like that. And I would give some capital, but people will eat the money. So if you tell people that get out of poverty, get out of lack, and you don't give them solution, what next? So we used to give them money, capital, and they eat it. So it reached a time I'm like, no, let me look for the, should I call it the permanent way? This one by the is a permanent way, and it is a passive way, whereby almost 99% of people within our locality, or the billions of people around the world, are on social media. So that means they have to be having access to internet or to data. So if you can be on social media, do you think you can kill two birds at a go? That's how I came in, because I found when I got my first dollar, that's what I wanted. I was like, okay, let me tell my audience, let me tell my people. I came in focused to make sure that we can fight poverty. And I saw people have made it, people are making it. So why can't we make it also? So when you're focused, you will be focused on the results, on the objective, not right now. Most people beat themselves towards the, towards the views, because you don't know the difference between the views and the money. There is a very big difference. You can have views and without money, and I can have very few views but with money. So when you get focused, you come to know all these things. Then another reason why I've never given up, we build brand. And this brand gives passive income. I get monthly salary, but if I don't work fully, they will either cut my salary, or they will tell me to get, for example, to get some papers to show that I was sick. That is sick leave. We call it sick leave. But take a look on this. The moment you're using internet, you can, right now as I record this video, I'm at the comfort of my home. And I'm just going to have dinner after making this video. And I sleep. There is a video that I made years back that is still bringing me money, provided it's greener content. So what do I mean here? There is passive income, and passive income is where, that's what I aim at. My main objective is passive income. Not that I have to be every time you wake up going to work and you have to wait for the salary at the end of the month. No, I can make salary before the end of the month. For your own information, I always get money twice in a month. I get on 21st, that is for YouTube, and for Facebook, it is on 25th. Then I wait for my salary. So you will not find me, I'm just there, unless if I've invested in projects and so you can see the reasons why I've never given up. They are the same reasons why other people have given up. How do they give up? When they are waiting for money and doesn't come, they feel, this is a long process. And I'm a kind of a person who is persistent, who is crazy on being focused, who is crazy on taking risks. And this one is risk-free, because this is your smartphone. You will not go somewhere where they're going to ask you, deposit money and put money. No. So why am I not doing it in my free time? Like right now as I talk, because I want to make like some $20, 20, even if I make a day 20 dirham. This is paid work, and it was one of the first app. When I'm here watching my any movie, I go to paid work. I click and I let the ads run, and I get that money. What's wrong with it? So if I tell you that if there is anyone there who can easily, who cannot easily give out 50,000 Ugandan money, that is around $23, who cannot easily give out $23, and you sit and forget about it, then it's high time you use your smartphone to make money. Very high time. So these are the reasons why most people fail, and are the reasons why I've never failed. So hope you get it. If you think there's something that you've not gotten, put it in the comment section. And if you're a person that has been following me so much, please, I love you so much, my beautiful girls and gentlemen. You're so much wonderful. I tell you, you cannot hold the phone and you lack money. If you're lacking money, you should lack money from $100 and above. That is when you're starting, but not $50, $20, never at all. Thank you very much. See you in another video.